Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Ju. I'm a teaching faculty within the Human Biology program, and we're going to be talking to you about misconceptions. This is a different form of active learning, and one of the reasons why we think that this is going to be so important post-pandemic is that we've all been noticing that there have been issues where students are not feeling as motivated, it's harder to keep them engaged online, and we're certainly expecting to see that when students come back. And so we need to find new ways of active learning and active engagement in our courses. And what Professor Wilson and I have done and will continue to do down the road is to make sure that we make intentional mistakes and intentional misconceptions in class to get students to think. I'm a neuroscientist, and I know that when our brains are actively engaged with something that isn't quite right, that form of learning is actually the most powerful. So please attend our session where you'll get to hear more about the do's and don'ts, the nitty-gritty, how we did it, and how we hope that you might be doing it down the road. I hope I haven't made too many mistakes in this video. You'll have to go back and watch it again to see if I've actually have done so. Anyways, see you soon. Hope to see you at the Teaching and Learning Symposium. Have a great semester, everyone. Bye.